Now, our motto, how can do it? Our motto determine that value. If x tends to infinity, if put x tends to infinity means if put x is equal to infinity, then we got infinity minus infinity divided by infinity. Means we got infinity by infinity form. Okay. So how can do it? First of all, take highest power common in upper part. Then we got if you x to power 4 common, then 4 by 3 in bracket 3 1 plus 3 upon s to power 4. Clear? And here x to power 3 common means 3 by 5. Okay, and that one is under root 1 plus 4 by x to power 3. And here x to power 7 commons to 7 by 2 in bracket 1 plus 1 upon x to power 7. Clear or not? And here if x to power 4 by 3 common, okay, limit x tends to infinity, x to power 4 by 3 common, then 3 1 plus 3 upon x to power 4. Here x to power 3 minus 4 by 3 common, then we got x to power 9 minus 16. Okay, and 12. So we got x to power minus 4 by minus 7 by 12, minus 7 by 12. So you can write now here x to power 7 by 12 under root 1 plus 4 by x power q. Clear or not? Divide by that one is x to power 7 by 2 under root 1 plus 1 upon 7. Clear or not? After that, if limit s tends to infinity, this one is written as 1 upon x to power 7 by 2 minus 4 by 3, that is x to power 21 21 21 minus 8 divided by 6, that is x to power, we got 4 no, 13 by 6. So we got x to power 13 by 6 under root 1 plus 7, and that value plus 3 upon x to power 4 minus x to power 7 by 12 under root 1 of 4 plus x to power 5. Okay, clear or not? Now put x this equal to infinitive. Then we got, if x tends to infinitive, then we got that is 1 plus 1 by infinitive, and that is 1 by infinitive, and whatever 1 plus 1 by infinitive, okay, to whole power, that is 5. So here 5, so 1 by 5, okay, and here also 1 by 3 divided by infinitive into 1 plus 1 by infinitive to 1 by 2. Okay, so we got 1 minus 0 divided by 0 for infinitive. So finally we got 0. So 0 is the right answer. If any doubt, then comment it, I will discuss again.